For me, this area is designated as a peace garden. That is, we should remember this. Everyone should come here and have a look
Peacefully.
at it peacefully, because used to be church here, demolished for different reasons, different occasions or something like that. But I'm glad monument is here. People is kind of behaving now normally, which everyone should know.
How do you find it interesting? How much do you know about it?
Everyone should know it. Thanks.
It's a pride moment
That's
for
true. Yeah.
Bengali.
It's very
The
important.
1952.
I think yes, of course. There are so many things going on all over the world. 1952 is because of the Korean War and other things like that. Is affecting the rest of the world.
Wow.
As you can see now, every 10 years they have to get rid of all the weapons.